Now, what about the idea of salting the road? Sprinkling salt around so the things can thaw and melt. I think that's a lovely image for things thawing and melting, or preventing them from freezing in the first place, for dealing with tension. So let's say I imagine to be sprinkling some snow, or sorry, I imagine to be sprinkling some salt on my shoulders, maybe to thaw it out, or to say, today we're going to start class and let's sprinkle some salt on our shoulders, or let's sprinkle some salt on the side of our jaw here, or across our hands, wherever it is where you see students getting tension, and say, I wonder if today we can prevent that area from freezing. So let's put the salt on it. And it makes it a little image, but a little activity that is a nice way. Again, you're not telling them, okay, today I don't want to see tension in your hands and your jaw. Instead, you're going, let's have an antidote. Let's have a way of preventing it. And what I love about this image, it seems so basic, but it's an image based in prevention. I'm salting it to prevent it from freezing. You could salt it to try to help it thaw, but we could use heat images to make something thaw. But when you salt something to prevent it from freezing, oh, you're giving them tools and ideas of prevention instead of just correction. When you correct somebody, it's always, it's hard not to feel like you were wrong. I shouldn't have been tense. Oh. Rather than, okay, today I'm going to see what I can do to not be tense. And then you, the teacher, can go, okay, maybe we needed a bit more salt because I can see a little bit creeping in. Where do you think it's happening? And it actually is a really interesting idea to go, okay, am I just tense here? Let's say that's where you see it happening. Or is there tension happening elsewhere? We go, oh, I didn't sprinkle the salt far enough. So if you think of something freezing and then freezing over here and then coming in and invading over here with some freezing, or tense coming and invading over here with more tension, it can help you to look at the sequence of tension in the body to go, if I'm seeing them having a stiff jaw, well, is it actually coming from the back of the neck? Oh, is it actually coming from the whole spine? Are they squeezing their tailbone in an attempt to do turnout? Oh, maybe we need to sprinkle some salt down the whole spine. Oh, and then you can look at the sequence of where is that freeze coming from, instead of just shouldn't be freezing there. All just because we thought of salting the roads for snow.